We actually have another friend. To tell you the truth, she's been helping out more than anything, man. Like I am so excited and I'm so happy to be able to have her, like, a part of us and be actually a part of the Alpha group. She's been giving me so much help as far as telling me different ideas, suggestions, even coming up with some of the quizzes that you guys are going to take as you guys are going to take the course. Like she's doing everything, and like I appreciate her 1,000%. So she actually, I forgot exactly how it went. I think I contacted her on Telegram, and I think she contacted me on Instagram or something like that. But we were on a phone call. We spoke for about 30 minutes or something like that. And, I was just looking to see what it is that she was really looking to get. And I let her know about my in-person course, and she was really excited about it. And if anything, she'll share a little bit about how everything went. But her and her husband are actually going to be flying out from Arizona to come to our in-person course in January. And with the in-person course, you actually get the online version of the course included. So she actually has been in the Alpha group helping us out. So she actually got the content before before she's coming to the actual course in January. So if anything, are you there?
I'm here.
All right, perfect. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. So if anything, I should have said this to everybody else, but share your name and where you're actually from again.
Okay, it's Shanna, and I live in Phoenix, Arizona.
Okay, Phoenix. Okay. And with that, like, what do you do for a living?
I'm a registered nurse. I work in a level 1 trauma center.
Got it. All right. So let me ask you this question. So you actually purchased the in-person course, and you and your husband are going to be coming. And the way that I actually have it set up is if somebody's coming with their significant other, then they could be able to get the significant other for half price. So you're actually having both of you guys come down in January. But you've been taking the online version of the course, and you've seen it when it was looked like a rock. And now it's getting a little better over time. So if anything, share your experiences. Like, why would you even want to fly out all the way over here to learn this content first?
Okay, so I'm just going to backtrack here. I actually had to look back at my Instagram just because I was like, it's so weird how all this went down. I don't even know. So it's actually October 29th. I actually contacted you about the red blue cloud method, and we kind of talked about that. And I just let you know, like, I was having a hard time with market structure, and I was looking at other videos on other platforms, and I'm like, oh, I can get in and do this. And I get in and I get confused and I can't do this. So that's how I got involved with you. You're like, oh, I got this FX Pro. I'm like, perfect. Of course, you explained to me you could get in, you give away a part of your in-person course online to 5 winners if you go on and you look at your videos and you got a comment, like legit comments. So I was like, okay. So literally after I got off the phone with you, the next 2 days I went insane on your videos. I was just like commenting, and I was like, I'm gonna win this course. I'm gonna win it. Speak it into existence. And so that's what happened. So you got me excited, and I just think you're a blessing. I don't even know where to start, and I don't want to start crying because and I haven't even started trading with all of your rules. It's just with you. And so back to your Alpha course, to the Alpha group. So yes, we paid for to come see you in person, and then I got in the Alpha group, which has been so awesome. My level of understanding has just been increased from, you said when you watch your videos in the beginning, your chart breakdowns, you will have no idea what I'm talking about. And you're absolutely right. I still, of course, there's portions where I'm like, I don't know what he's talking about, but my level of understanding is so much better. And I'm like, you got all these fibs, like fibs on fibs on fibs. And I'm like, no. So anyways, the online course is, yes, you started with a breakdown from your in-person course, and you kind of chopped it up into sections. And to see the new videos, to go from here to here, has just been great. The content's great. For those of you who are going to be in the beta group, it's going to blow your mind. Like, you're absolutely going to be so thankful for this guy. and everything that he's doing. And I literally believe also, like, I need nothing else. I just need, you are the indicator, and being able to speak with you one-on-one has been awesome. And just the belief that you have in me without even knowing me, just from an Instagram message, has been crazy. And I haven't been this excited about anything. And initially I wasn't even really, my husband actually got into the Forex thing first. And I'm like, I don't know numbers. I don't know anything about this. This doesn't interest me, stocks, blah, blah, blah. Being the good wife, I'm like, yeah, let me just go ahead and look in this. Yeah. I started seeing the potential, and so yeah, now we're here, and he's actually also an engineer, which is funny. All these years. So here we are, and I'm super excited, and I appreciate you for giving me this opportunity.
Good stuff, man. I'm so excited for you, because I know this is just the beginning, and thank you for all the information that you've been able to actually help me with, and helping me like really make this better for everybody that's on here. So if anything, everybody tell Shanna that we thank you. So thank you very much. Okay. So
you're welcome. We thank you. This is all you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.